Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 10 English Medium chapter number 4. Chapter name is Carbon and its Compound. In previous lecture we have to study properties of hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkane, alkenes, alkyne. Now moves on next topic is our functional group. Chapter number 4, Standard 10 English Medium. Functional group. First, we understand definition of functional group. In a long carbon chain, functional group attach in a long carbon chain and give its properties. So functional group means attached with long or branch carbon chain and give its property. It means suppose one functional group is attaching hydrocarbon chain. So the hydrocarbon chain, all hydrocarbon chain property is similar and converted into this functional group attachment. So first functional group is alkyl. Alkyl group. Alkyl group means in alkane. In a alkane, remove H. Remove one H is converted alkane into alkyl group. For example, 4 carbon alkane, 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, name is methane. An suffix. So remove one hydrogen, it means CH3. So this 3H3 is known as methyl. So in similar way, ethane, CH3, CH3. So we also write here this type of structure. And then remove one hydrogen. It means CH3CH2. So the ethane is converted into ethyl. So alkane, remove one hydrogen, then converted alkane into alkyl group. First functional group. Second, alcohol. Functional group is OH and suffix is OL. All. For example, one carbon structure is methane. 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. So methane, in methane, functional group attaches OH, therefore methane is converted into methanol. OL suffix included in an alcohol. So remains formula is Cl3OH. In similar way, we have to take 2 carbon means ethane, so converted into ethanol. 3 carbon propane, so propane converted into propanol. Butanol, pentanol, hexanol is in similar way. OL suffix methanol, ethanol, propanol. So in similar way, continue OL suffix included in last term. Now third functional group is aldehyde. Aldehyde means CHO. Now understand what formation of in CHO. CNH. C double bond O and single bond with H, and here R means any alkyl groups attached with each other. C double O H. R means any alkyl group like ethyl, methyl, etc. So suffix is nal. It means Al is a suffix. So example of one carbon means CH4 methane. So converted into C double bond O double bond H double bond H. This means HCHO and name is methanol. Methanol. In similar way, 2 carbon. So example of 2 carbon aldehyde. 1 and 2 carbon, double bond O with H. Here 4 valence is completed, so 3. CH3CHO, name is ethanol, air suffix included. Next is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, it means C double bond O OH, and here R means connected with hydrocarbon chain, any alkyl group, C double bond OH, and suffix is noic acid included in last. So example of one carbon carboxylic acid. So one carbon double bond with O, single bond with O, and single bond with H. 1, 2, 3 and 4, it means H, C double OH is an example of methanoic acid. In similar way, 2 carbon. So here 2 carbon double bond with O, single bond O and H. 1, 2 and 3. So CH3 C double OH, it means 2 carbon means ethane, and C double H functional group means carboxylic acid. Suffix is noic acid. So ethane is converted into ethanoic acid. Now ketone have a functional group C double bond O, and this carbon is connected with another R dash and R alkyl group, any hydrocarbon chain, and connected always between 2 hydrocarbon chain. It means connected always between carbon, not in a end of carbon chain. Remember that ketone functional group is attached in the middle of carbon, not end of this hydrocarbon chain. So the example and start example of ketone with one carbon is not possible because methane, so only one carbon cannot represent ketone because ketone is attached in the middle of carbon. So 2 carbon is also not possible. So ketone is start with 3 carbon. 3 carbon means one functional group attached, and here another 2 carbon. So valency of this carbon is 4 completed. Now end carbon is 1 completed, C another 3 by H. In similar way left and right side. So the answer is CH3, CO and CH3. Suffix used in a ketone is non, ONE. ONE used in a suffix, and 3 carbon means propane, and non suffix used, therefore propanon. Similar name of another common name of propanon is acetone. In similar way, 5 carbon is pentanon, hexanon, heptanon. In similar way, we have to use suffix non and long hydrocarbon chain. Now last is ester. Ester is similar to ketone, C double bond O, O R, and here R dash. R and R dash is any alkyl group long hydrocarbon chain. Is also attached in a middle of carbon, not end of carbon. Here example of ester, middle functional group attached C double bond O R. R means suppose CH3. In similar way here another carbon. So CH3 CO CH3. Both side methyl functional group attached in a ester. So suffix is dimethyl ester, or another suppose here ethyl group present. So methyl ethyl ester, name of this ester. So remember all functional group is suffix and symbol of functional group, how to attachment, and which type of bond, like CHO, COOH. Here OH is single bond. So write down in notebook and prepare its functional group. Thank you friends.